welcome to my weekly Forex forecast or analysis session. And this session, we are going to look at 5 charts, which is DXY, GBPUSD, GBP Yen, EURAUD, and gold. So these 5 charts we're going to look at. So mostly I will stick to these 5 charts for my weekly analysis because I'm focusing on these 5 pairs. And actually DXY is an index, so I'm focusing on these 4 pairs for my weekly trade setups. So we will dive deeper and see what we can trade for the next week. And what I will do first, I will touch base on Forex factory fundamentals for the next week. And then I'll just make this analysis very simple and precise so that if you are planning to take some trade and if you think there is possibility for you to understand what my analysis is saying to you, then I'm glad to be helpful. So let's dive deeper and then we will make a call. So last week, as you can see, we had really major news on Wednesday. New Zealand cash rate, USD, CPI. As you can see, CPI came really positive for dollar, which means last month it was 0.4% and the expected 0.3% came out 0.4%, which is good. So still the same, but based on expectation it's increased. And year on year, 3.2% to 3.5%. So more than the expectation, which is good. So when inflation is going up, it's good for investors because they get more return for their investment, right? Because they keep the interest rate high because they haven't seen the inflation going down. So they need to keep the interest rate to that same level until the inflation come down to 2% also. So the Fed, they target to keep the inflation year on year around 2%. So since we saw really high inflation about 2 years before, just after COVID, now since they increased the interest rate, we've seen that CPI started to come down. Now it's going a little bit high. So they probably pivot maybe in future, but not for now. That's what's telling me at the moment. So we see that dollar is being strong based on CPI. And now after that, we had core PPI and Thursday, Euro ECB, the finance interest rate. So they're keeping it the same level. And PPI came out a bit mixed news. Positive news, mixed negative and positive, and unemployment claim is reduced as well, so which is still one of the good thing for dollar. And GDP for GBP month on month is going down, so which is not really good. GDP is the gross domestic product, which translate to sales and taxes for the government, which mean that government runs on GDP. So if they don't have enough GDP, I mean the GDP is going down, that means the income is going down overall in the country. So as you can see, GBP like fell yesterday, not only because of this news, but overall dollar, firm dollar as well. And Friday, we saw yesterday preliminary UOM consumer sentiment, so which dropped the dollar a little bit. And now for next week, what we see is that we have Monday, we have around 8:30 p.m. So in Malaysia, we have sales, core retail sales and retail sales month on month and Empire State Manufacturing. So I am seeing that there's a lot of possibility market could give us some mixed results. So, and even this news comes true, and if dollar becomes a little bit stronger, and still I feel like there's a lot of possibility dollar can start to give us some sort of correction in terms of technical. And when I go to the chart, I will explain. And you can see that so they, even though they're expecting some sort of increase, you can see in retail sales month on month they're expecting some sort of decrease, and it could probably give us some sort of mixed what do you call report. And on Tuesday we have GBP claimant count change, and they're expecting it to increase. So there we could see some sort of little reaction on GBP for this news. And on Wednesday, about 2 p.m., GBP CPI year on year, so they're expecting it to drop 3.4% to 3.1%. I assume that there's a lot of possibility that GBP can become weaker if this number comes true. And if GBP is at the level where I'm anticipating, if market start to correct, I think there's a lot of possibility GBP to drop as well. So after that, on Thursday, unemployment change and unemployment rate for Aussie. So they're expecting an increase, and employment change also they're expecting a decrease. So it looks like there's possibility like Aussie to become a bit weaker. So based on EURAUD chart, I will just give you some understanding of my thought process behind the technical analysis. And 8:30 p.m. unemployment claim, and then expect a little bit increase for USD on Thursday. And for GBP, they have retail sales month on month, so they're expecting an increase. So let's see how it goes. There's a lot of possibility that market can give us some buy moves and sell move for GBP for next week. So on DXY, as you can see, market has given a lot of like a sell trend. And then after completing this sell trend here, market has given us a huge impulse to the upside, and which broke those swing highs. And now market gave us a correction after that. After this huge impulse, market give us this correction. And after that, what is happening here is this corrective wave that is going up. And this corrective wave that is going up, there's a lot of possibility market to give us some sort of correction to start something like this here, because market came to this supply zone, and there's a lot of possibility market to drop and give us this a bigger correction before it shoots up, because there's a lot of possibility that if this is the start of the reversal, and let's say this is our downtrend completion. So let's say this is based on Elliott wave, this is our first wave, this is our second wave, this is our third wave, this is our fourth wave, and this is our fifth wave. And so what market is doing, basically market is giving us this A, B, and C wave. So what potentially happening is this market is creating some sort of complex correction. So what I'm seeing is this. So since market give us this up and down sharp, and there's a lot of possibility market can give us a correction like this. For this drop, market give us another drop, and for this up, market give us another up, and then making this a completion correction for this impulse, and market can go further down. And this is what I see based on Elliott wave analysis. Now, for upcoming week, what I see is this. Since market has given us this drop before market takes off, and you can see how market is going up, is bit corrective, and now market broke the top. So there's a lot of potential market to give us some sort of a running flat like this, a sell momentum to start. So something similar like this. and maybe it can go and break the bottom as well. There's a lot of possibility as well if the dollar becomes weak. And then market can go up to take this top for this top. And then for this drop, market will give us one more drop, right? This drop, there's a lot of possibility market can reverse from somewhere, from this price to this price, somewhere in middle, or market can come down to take this bottom and go up. So GBPUSD, as you can see, GBPUSD has done similar, like as you can see here. I just want to give you a little bit of bigger picture before I go to before I give you the next week analysis as well. So as you can see here, market has given us this corrective wave, right? So this corrective wave has ended here, and there's a lot of possibility market starting to give us a wave like this to the downside. So what I'm expecting, there's a lot of possibility market to give us a correction before it drops further, right? And so this drop, there's a lot of possibility market to go break this bottom and then give us this huge buy momentum to the upside, right? Because now what is happening here is that, as you can see, we are coming from all the way from our lowest point, and we reach 1.31 level. After that, market gave us this huge correction here. So if we consider this our A wave and this is our B wave, and this B wave is almost come to an end. And if this B wave wants to go and break the top, there's possibility as well. And how that can be possible? Market can give us this correction and then go up to break the top, taking this top, and then market can come down further. So what I'm anticipating is this. So what for next week, what I'm anticipating is market to give us some sort of correction. And if this correction can, if let's say by Wednesday market is here somewhere around 1.26 area, and market can give us a three-wave correction to the upside, like 150 pips. And from this level, if CPI is coming up, and I will be looking for my sells from this level. So for early part of the week, I'll be looking for my buys, right? And then for later part of the week, I'll be looking for my sells. And let's say if market does this, let's say market start to give us a sharp up, right? Let's say market start to give us sharp up, right? And then market give us some sort of correction like this, and there's a lot of possibility market to shoot up as well further, because they need to clear some sort of liquidity here, right? And they could have one more drop further. So they could give us a deeper correction as well. This is also a possibility. So as you can see on both analysis, you have this buy momentum coming in. So you can look for your buys for the early part of the week. And then let's see how the market unfolds. And then based on that, we can trade the Wednesday session. If market gives us three-wave correction to the upside, I will be looking for my sells. And if market gives us sharp movement to the upside and market start to correct, give us three-wave correction, I'll be looking for my buys, at least to go break this, at least minimum to this level, 1.28 level. After that, market can give us a bigger correction, bigger drop. For this correction, for this down move, market can give us further down. So GBP yen actually, as you can see, yen being really weak, and you can see it on the chart, market is going up and up and up. And what market is doing at this momentum time is that market is giving us some sort of correction. So as you can see, this is my impulse. After the impulse, market is giving us like these waves, right? impulse, correction, impulse. After that, market give us this corrective wave to the upside and another drop and impulse. So here there's a lot of possibility market being this my 3-wave correction, and market can certainly go up to break this top one more time. And if that does not happen, what market could do, market give us a correction here, correct these wave with 3-wave correction to the upside, and then market give us one more drop, something similar to this or something similar to this. And then without breaking this bottom, without breaking this 1.88 level, market could shoot up from 1.88 level or 1.85 level, 88500 level, and somewhere in between, market could give us a buy setup, buy momentum to the upside to break the top. And what I'm seeing is that market potentially giving us a bigger correction, so they can go up and break this previous top 1.9195 level. So there is a lot of possibility market to do that. So as you can see, EURAUD is giving us a huge uptrend from this level to this level, and then market starting to correct. So market starting to give us a correction to the downside. So the correction, how it was like this correction. After that, there is a lot of possibility market to go and break this top. But at this moment in time, what market is doing is like this. Market is giving us an impulse, correction impulse. So after that, market came down sharp and broke the previous low. And now what market could be doing is giving us some sort of a 5-wave correction to the downside for this impulse. So this could be wave 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. 5-wave correction. And probably just below this low, market could react to the upside. So this up momentum, there's a lot of possibility this up momentum to go and break the previous top. So that's 168 level. And I think there is further upside is possible as well. If you go to higher time frame, and you can see this high, 170. So there's a lot of possibility market to go break this top. Why I say that? Because if you go to weekly, you can see that market is giving us some sort of correction for this down wave, and there's a lot of possibility market to give us one more push up, take this top, making this the complete 5-wave correction to the upside, and then market can give us a further drop, because market, there's a lot of possibility. As you can see, this is a bigger correction in the play here. There's a bigger correction in the play here, and of course in the future there's a lot of possibility market can test this bottom one more time, and I see that there's potential market to clear the liquidity above, and then if recession kicks in, there's a lot of possibility market to drop as well. And why I say that, you can see from here in 2008 how market fell against euro, so Audi became strong. So it depends on microeconomics as well. So there's a lot of potential that market to give us a correction here, and for this drop market give us this drop, making this as an impulse, and impulse, correction, impulse. So as you can see, this is being impulse, and this is being corrective, and this is being impulse, right? And this is the idea. After that, market will go up further and break the top, this being the correction. So for upcoming week, what I'm seeing is that I'm just giving little bit of what do you call, little bit of extra here, because I'm starting the analysis after a very long time. So here I'm expecting one more drop, so one more drop here. So probably this correction can take some time, and then one more drop, right? Taking this bottom, and then market can shoot up. and shoot up to, I'm expecting market to take at least this top 168, and then market can give us a correction, and then market can go further up to break the top. So gold is really interesting, and as you can see, gold has dropped last week almost 1,000 pips, 979 pips to be exact. And what I'm expecting gold is to give us a bigger correction at this point in time. So now, since it has touched 1.2430 level, and I'm expecting at least to give us a deeper correction and at least like 100 points here. So it's like $130 correction here, and then market, there's a lot of potential market to give us deeper correction as well, but I don't think that is ready at the moment yet. So what I'm seeing is that there's a lot of potential market can test this top one more time, and if this is my, what do you call, if this is my big wave, the third wave to the upside, right, and market can give us a bigger correction, there's a lot of possibility market can give us big correction like this, and that correction is definitely possible to start anytime. And since market has given us this drop, and I'm anticipating that market can give us a bigger correction. So how I'm seeing is that what I'm expecting from gold is to give us some sort of complex corrections. So at this point in time, if market give us this three-wave correction to the upside, correcting like this, and definitely one more drop will be coming. And let's say market has dropped sharp, and let's say market breaks this bottom or break this bottom, and market goes up sharp. After that, market will give us another three-wave correction here, and then market could drop as well. There's a lot of potential. Or market could like give us some sort of, for this drop, market could give us a correction here, and then market could reverse as well. There's a lot of possibility. I believe if they're going to spend some time here, let's say if they want to correct around 200 points, something like that, 200 points or something big, maybe 300 points, if they want to correct like that, I believe they will spend a lot more time here. So that means we could expect some sort of impulse, correction, impulse, and then drop, right? Making this correction and drop, and then correction like that, making this a five-wave correction to the downside, and then they will start to go further up. So there's a lot of possibility to do something like this. And what I like to do, I like to trade based on wave by wave. So I do see this up move coming up, and I will be looking to trade the up and the down as well. So this is my analysis for gold at this point in time. I just want to let you know I'm having a 2 days workshop on trading, so you can get a lot of genuine insight on trading. So it's coming up on Saturday and Sunday, 27th and 28th of April from 4 p.m. to 9 p.m. So it's going to be 4 hours each day, and you will have 1 hour break in between. And what we will look at basically on day one, understanding the markets, fundamental analysis, technical analysis about financial brokers, trading is a business. And then day two, we will look at chart patterns and utilizing trading tools, market trading strategies, in-depth analysis on two pairs, and psychology lesson and creating a trade plan. So if you are interested to attend, please sign up by sending your name and email address to these two WhatsApp numbers. And I will give you the WhatsApp link below as well, so on the description section, so you can click and sign up as well. So what I suggest, always learn before trading. That's the best thing that you can do. for you if you are thinking to become a trader or taking trading as a career. So thank you. Have a great weekend and hope to see you next next week analysis. Thank you.